that's a routine, everyday thing, is get that in the morning.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Right, I mean, that would be.
That's already meeting.
Oh, what a cutie. I have my yoga DVDs still in there. Why you go smile? This is an 8 to 8.